how to disable sensitive content on Facebook. So let me show you the current working steps to do that. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Tap the three horizontal lines. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Scroll to Content Preferences or kind of media section or something like that. Use the search bar at top and type sensitive if hard to find. Look for sensitive content control or sensitive content, sometimes under what you see or feed preferences. You will usually use two options. Default, you might see contents in regular way or show less. You will see them blur or not see at all. Tap default or the least restrictive option, confirm or save. Done. The blur screens and this may contain sensitive content warnings should now be gone when you scroll. If the option is missing or named differently, go back to the main settings, tap search bar, type content preferences or sensitive. Some users find it under audience and visibility, content you see. Still can't find it? Check help and support and search, then sensitive content. Facebook sometimes updates the path with app versions, or try updating the app in Play Store first. New versions often move or re-add these controls. There you go. No more sensitive content blur on Facebook. If this helped you see everything clearly, smash that like button and subscribe for more Facebook tweaks.